Ever flip through those glossy garden magazines and feel that little sting of why not me? Same kind of backyard, but somehow theirs looks polished and yours looks, well, just there. Don't worry, you're not alone. The secret isn't endless money or hiring a pro, it's simply edging. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you 7 easy DIY edging tricks that cost pocket change. Take just a single afternoon, and we'll have your neighbors convinced you brought in a landscape architect, ready to transform your backyard. Let's edge up. Imagine 2 yards side by side, one's crisp, magazine ready, the other's a fuzzy jungle, where flowers and weeds play tug of war. The whole difference, a clean edge, no pro budget needed, just the right border. Stick around. By the end, you'll know which of these 7 ideas you can finish tonight with stuff already in the garage. First up, the classic brick edge. Bricks have this timeless way of whispering heritage garden, even if you scored them for 50 cents a piece on Marketplace. The process is refreshingly simple. Dig a trench about 1 brick deep, line them shoulder to shoulder, and tap everything level with a rubber mallet. To elevate the look even more, angle every 5th brick just a hair outward. The small shadow it casts tricks the eye into thinking your flower bed is deeper and grander than it really is. It's elegance on a shoestring. Second idea, the rustic wood strip. Got leftover deck boards or old fence pickets lying around? Don't toss them repurposed. Cut each piece into 10-inch stubs and drive them into the ground vertically, lined up like a row of tiny soldiers guarding your flower bed. The result? An instant cabin-style vibe that feels warm and handcrafted. For durability, swipe the tops with any exterior sealer so the wood weathers into a soft, even silver, instead of blotching and rotting. The best part? No one will ever guess this charming border started out as scrap wood. Third on the list, the Glow-Proc line. Those stones you casually kick along a weekend hike. They're actually free tickets to backyard sophistication. Choose pieces about the size of your palm, then bury roughly 1/3 of each rock into the soil for stability and a clean finish. Keep the tops level so the line looks intentional rather than random. Want rustic charm? Mix colors for an earthy pop. Prefer sleek and modern? Stick to 1 shade. Number 4. Paver Chic. A single row of square pavers can instantly turn your backyard into a European courtyard look-alike without the European price tag. No mortar needed. Just lay down an inch of sand. Set the pavers side by side. Sweep more sand into the joints and mist with water. For a designer touch, tilt every other paver slightly. The light hits differently, giving the whole edge a custom high-end vibe. Number 5. Wine Bottle Sparkle. Instead of tossing empties, turn them into glowing garden art. Just rinse the bottles. Peel off labels with hot water and bury them upside down every ½ foot along your edge. Sunlight makes them twinkle by day, and at night, string lights reflect through the glass for cocktail hour magic. Free, stylish, and guaranteed to get compliments. Number 6. No-dig concrete trim. Forget trenches and heavy tools. This method is almost effortless. Just roll out flexible plastic edging. Trace a smooth curve with a garden hose and stake it in place. Then mix quickset concrete to the thickness of a milkshake. Pour it behind the strip and let it harden. The result? A crisp, professional-looking border that lasts 4 years at cost less than a pizza night. Number 7. Willow Weave Fence. This is a living, eco-friendly border that practically grows itself. Grab fresh willow, whipsaw, any bendable prunings from your yard and weave them back and forth between short stakes, creating a rustic lattice. Over the course of a single season, these cuttings will root and leaf out, forming a lush green hedge that adds instant charm to your garden. Not only does it look gorgeous, but it also provides habitat for pollinators and hides less attractive areas like the compost pile. All this elegance, completely free and ridiculously satisfying to watch grow. If you're already picturing which edging idea would suit your yard, go ahead and smash that like button. Help the algorithm share these tricks with more backyard warriors. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly budget-friendly garden magic. 7 borders, 1 goal. Make your garden look expensive in just a Saturday. Try one today and tag me on Instagram.
Thanks for watching. Happy nice day.